O to arouse girl. Arousing o woman is a rocket science, but it can be en article to arouse o woman. You have to strike the perfect balance between being aggressive and coy or to set the right mode, great for play on the right move are a necessity, avel. Keep in mind, in addition to knowing to show woman body and understanding what she want, you also need to understand when she want it if you wish to truly arouse a girl and make the experience great for both of you. Set the mode. Create a sexy atmosphere. If you create a sexy atmosphere, your girl will be turned on before your first kiss. You should make sure that lighting, smell, and sound in your crib are set for romance. How to do it. Have soft and sexy lighting. When you walk into your apartment, the light should already be turned on low just enough for your lady to see you, but not so brightly that she feels self-conscious. Light a fait candle. Have a sexy smelling apartment. If you know you'll be having a lady over on a particular night, open your windows during today and let in some fresh air. Some monly potpourri can help your apartment stay fresh too. When your lady arrive, casually light some incense, or make sure those candles are scented. Play sexy music. Your lady will be more turned on if you turn on the right music. Jazz can make her feel sophisticated, en R&B can put her in a sexy mode. Whatever you use, make sure your casual abu putting it on, and play it softly. Have sexy reinforcement. Your home should be prepared for sexiness in advance, so the mode can stay hot and you can avoid interruption. Rara fake item to always have in stock. Something to drink. Be prepared with red and white wine and IOT beverage to your lady Malik. Chance art you've come back from drinking a sexy dinner that, and to keep things going, you should always have something extra to sip on just in case. Something to eat. If you need more time to warm up to jet to the bedroom, sharing a sexy snack can help set the mood. Be prepared with sexy food like grape, strawberry, cheese and cracker, or chocolate. Avoid eating anything greasy or fried can give you ga, which will definitely no butter no. Something to clean up with. If you plan on doing it, have a clean towel and fresh soap for your girl, so you don't turn her hobby giving her a wet, moldy towel. Have a sexy home. Work hard you can to have a home that will turn to light on immediately. Your home should be presentable so your girl want to venture into the bedroom. How? Be clean. The most important part of setting the mode. Hide your dirty laundry. Clean all surface in your home, and absolutely make sure you don't have a grimy bathroom. Your girl should be comfortable possible before she can be ready for action. Be fashionable. Your home doesn't have to be worth $1 million to turn a lady on. Have classy wooden or light furniture, a finish painting, and a good stereo system to show your girl that you care about your surrounding. Avoid low of photo of you and your ex-girlfriend. Have a sexy bed. Clean your sheet cover, have a nice, fluffy pillow, and a clean night table. Take time to put your picture of you and your mom as far away as possible. Your girl should feel comfortable snuggling up in your cover to be ready for your body. Have incredible foreplay. Make her feel comfortable. Once you've set the right mode, you should begin to turn your girl on by making her feel at home. If she relaxed, she more likely to wake up. How to do it. En uppercuttant have take off her. She'll feel more at ease on should. Offer her a drink. Don't force her to drink, but pour her a glass of wine if she want one. If she drinking, you should drink too so she don't feel self-conscious. Compliment her. Make your home feel good by letting her know how much you like her. Tell her how great she looks, what an amazing time you're having, or how much you love the way she looks. To share in a sexy way. When your lady relaxed, she'll want you to come closer to her. Don't be sidle up next to her and begin touching her in subtle way to initiate foreplay. Euro to do it. Si next to air en lay your les touche. Puis your arm around there. If sure ali into it, star playing with air. If cheviring d'angliering, gently all done in your hands et home usually kit will your finger brush against air lobe. Lay your en grase, en even all deran en caresse air finger if show en you too. Give air a sexy massage. Massage air shoulder, air low back, or even air biceps. Ti will surely turner on en helper les los. Kiss with passion. Kissing with first big move you'll make, and you have to get it right if you want to take your night to the next level. To be the perfect kisser, you need to find an irresistible kissing style. Euro to do it. Be gentle. Kiss her gently at first, with using to mush tongue. Lightly graze your lip, and slowly touch the tip of your tongue to her. If she receptive, move your tongue de into her mouth, but take it slowly. Leave her wanting more. Take a break from kissing to locky, brush back her hair, or to start kissing her gently on a nap off her neck or her shoulder. Don't just kiss with stopping for her on. Shall I get bored or will just be exhausted? Be more aggressive with your touch. Will your kissing her, move your hand on her body to gently touch her waist, her breast, or her inettig. Make sure she comfortable with your new move. Start taking off your clot. Once your kissing is getting autant heavy, it time to start removing your clot so you can get it on. To set the tone for hot sex, you have to take your clot off in the right way. Euro. Take your girl shirt off first. Gently pull your under shirt and slip it off over her hip. If a button down shirt, slowly un button it and throw it acid. Next, take off your own shirt. Don't take off all of your clothes first. Tim afreak a girl out and will make her think you're being too aggressive. Take your time. Once your shirt are off, continue kissing, but take off the girl brave te a will. Not if the classy in the front or the back, and try to be smooth about taking it off. Don't be awkward and make a joke about how you have done it in a will, or how impossible it is to take off her bra. Ti will just turn her off and will make you look inexperienced. Gently touch the girl over her underwear. Ti will make her want you to take off her skirt or pants. If shivering a pants, slowly pull them down. If a skirt, slide it down over her leg. Take off your pants, or wait for her to take them off if she comfortable with it. Not a your butt down to your underwear, if your butt willing, it time to start preparing for sex. Have the right move in the bedroom. Be clear about having sex. To give a want to jump to conclusion once your butt in your underwear. Important to make it clear that you'll be having sex so in a awkward there are no misunderstanding. Euro to move past tiredly. Say, are you ready? Or do you want to? Make it clear that you want to take it to the next level. If she agree, be prepared with a condom. Be smooth taboo putting it on, and try to be efficient as possible so you don't tilt mode. Turn your girl on a much as you can before sex. Men are often ready for sex before women, and even if you've had some great foreplay, you need to spend more time on your girl body before you start getting it on. Euro to do. Caress and kiss her body à love. Kiss her neck, her shoulder, her breast, her belly, and ainsi de off her tig. Tell her how much you like her. Whisper a feeling about sexy her body, or how much you love a certain part of her. Touch her genital gently. You can tease her a little bit by touching her and then moving your hands some or else for a little will ti will leave her wanting more. Once she ready for intercourse, you should go for it. Find your sexual style. There are dozens of ways to have great sex, and once you start, you need to fill out your home to se was comfortable with and wash into. How to get a feel for your sexual style with your new partner. 3D for position. Starby ben on te pense if chelik ben on te pour even avin sex in amor adventure ouais. Don trianitignato crazy a first jet a good rhythm goin before you jet creative. If chelik tube gentle agressive. Tri some light beating or some intense touche tous if che reciprocate. Some woman like tube fenant agressive but are waiting for you to make it move. But if chelik tube gentle, tentacle your team, en holder lightly. Tri dirty talk. Dirty talk in for everyone, but if your lady into it can go a long way in turning errand. Tell her why you want to air, why you like to do to air, en compliment her body. If che 2 et 1 reciprocate, ton it donne. Finish strong. But partner should feel satisfied after your team to jeter, and before you finish, you should make sure your lady a go team. There are some way to finish strong in the bedroom. Remember ta many women don't orgasm from sex, so if che 2 et 1 orgasme, to share until che 2. After you finish, don't immediately run out of the room or hoping to show it. Take some time to stay in bed and caress your lady until her agree toi. Don't be disappointed. If your lady didn't reach her climax, or if you orgasm prematurely, don't be discouraged. It happens more often than you think, and handling it with calm will show her that you're confident in who you are. L'hiver wanting more. Once you've wrapping up in the bedroom, t'auras fetting to do so your girl want to sleep with you again, wait il a teta night, or la teta veik rotu anting on a good note. Au fait to show it to jeter to clean off. If she game, kiss her gently while you're showering. Don't be reserved after you have sex. You should give your lady some space, be show ta your to some funny. Amazing guiche a making out with to rago. Tell her you had a great want to do it again soon. When she leave, Valker out like at a rude gentleman. Pure cat on air, drive her home or call her a cab, and kiss her at door. Play it cool. Don't say, when can vous occupe again? Instead, just tell her you had a great you'll call her soon. Make her think booking up with you. Once shaway, occasional sexy text will remain of the hot team she had in the bedroom. If you're smooth about the gentle reminder, she'll be wanting more fast than you can rest con your 150.